Happiest Minds, the mindful IT company, applies agile methodologies to enable digital transformation. Born digital, born agile, our capabilities span across digital business solutions, product engineering and infrastructure management and security services. We have a focused IoT center of excellence with 40+ IoT customers, 300+ experts, and 50+ partners. We are uniquely positioned to enable digital transformation of power generation, transmission and distribution companies by improving business values, enhancing efficiency, and reducing operations and maintenance costs. Power generation companies today face challenges in the O&M groups, which include management of localized maintenance crews, manual site inspection processes,
inaccurate tracking of time, money spent on work orders,
lack of digital documentation, and lack of technical assistance.
We work with organizations for creating a connected experience by connecting people, processes and data from all the sites, with respect to asset criticality, reliability, and other operational KPIs, to enable the business to derive valuable insights leading to reduced operational costs and increased predictability. Happiest Minds is helping one of the largest power generation company in the United States, encompassing 11 power generation plants, to achieve centralized maintenance and operations by using IoT and AI/ML. This requires correct identification of the asset across all the plants, optimization of work order risk ranking, assess the outage schedule and communicate the same to operations and maintenance crews with artifacts, using the Digital Worker app, and dashboards for monitoring performance and operations by the management. This led to projected O&M savings of 1% on the total revenue. IoT and AI/ML automation of mundane tasks leading to a 30% reduction of plant operating cost, with better utilization of the crew. Let's begin with a 6 to 8 weeks of engagement for the discovery phase and get it rolling. To know more, please reach out to us at business@happiestminds.com. Thank you.